Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss syn and anti-nomenclature in Oximes. To understand that, let's understand what Oximes are. When you take an aldehyde, say R C double bond O H, it is an aldehyde, and you react it with hydroxylamine, that is NH2OH. Then what happens? This two hydrogen and this oxygen is removed. What will happen? R C double bond N. So if water removed, this N will be connected to this carbon. So hydrogen, and there are two types of arrangement is possible for this OH. One, OH here, lone pair here. Another is, you can guess, nitrogen, OH here, lone pair here. Then here syn or anti-nomenclature is done with respect to this H and OH. If H and OH are in same side as here, it is called syn. That means same side. And in this structure, H and OH are in opposite side. Then it is called anti. Okay. Now for ketoxime. As it is formed from aldehyde, it was called aldoxime. Now if we do the same for ketone, it will be called ketoxime. Let's take it. Let's take a ketone. Say R C double bond O R prime. Then do the same NH2OH. Then product will be R C double bond N OH R dust, or OH R dust. Here if you say syn and anti, you have to define with respect to whom you are doing it. If, let's say, you are doing nomenclature with respect to this R, then with respect to R, the first structure is R and OH is anti. So first structure will be anti with respect to R. But second structure will be syn with respect to R, as they are in same side. But similarly, if you do nomenclature with respect to this R prime, then first structure will be syn, as R prime and OH are in same direction. And if you do the same for R prime for second structure with respect to R prime, OH is in opposite side, then that will be anti. So in ketoxime, for syn and anti nomenclature, you have to understand with respect to whom you are doing it. So here both you can say the first structure and second structure. First structure is syn with respect to R prime and anti with respect to R, and second structure is syn with respect to R and anti with respect to R prime. So that's all about syn and anti nomenclature in Oximes. Thank you.